Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take Arjun Ashwagandha juice. Start with clean, fresh ingredients and a reliable recipe, then measure doses carefully. I will walk you through selecting herbs, preparing juice, timing intake, and pairing with food or water. I will also cover safety checks, common side effects, and when to pause use. Stay comfortable and follow simple steps for steady results. Gather fresh Arjun bark and ashwagandha root, rinse thoroughly, and chop into small pieces for easier extraction. Use a blender with a little water or a manual press to yield clean, concentrated juice. Strain through a fine cloth or sieve to remove fibers and sediment. Store the fresh juice in a sealed container in the fridge and use within a few days for best potency and flavor. Begin with a small test dose of about 5 to 10 ml to evaluate tolerance, then adjust gradually to your comfortable amount. Take the juice with meals to reduce stomach upset and improve absorption, and avoid combining with stimulants or alcohol. Keep a consistent timing each day, preferably morning or evening based on how it affects your energy. Track effects and consult a practitioner if you plan long-term use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.